Welcome to Rathlin Island. We're staying at a wee cottage up the road. We've rented it from a lovely lady called Allison, and we are here for this man's birthday.
We out here.
Come on.
We out here.
This boyo's birthday.
We out here.
Anyway, let me show you around the island. Anyone that doesn't know what Rathlin is a small island just off the coast of Ballycastle. It's probably most famous for the RSPB site on the west coast, which has a breeding colony of various seabirds, but most importantly the puffins. In all our adventures, there's one man never fails to impress or surprise. That is this bio. These little mounds are called cairns. Rumour has it Finn McCool's brother's uncle's sister made all these on Rathlin Island. It's up to you if you want to believe me or not.
It's not like my group.
Boom! There you go, that is my take on Rathlin Island, and I hope it shows you how much of a fun weekend we all had. We were there, as I say, to celebrate Nick, our handstand coach from the movement loft in Belfast. It was his 30th birthday. I'll tag him down below if you are interested and want to give something new a try. Also, a few other honourable mentions I think I need to have is the cake. I didn't get a nice close-up video of the cake, but I do have a photo and I will put it up here. So there you go. Hopefully you like the look of the cake. And that is made by Petite Treats by Sinead. I will share her Facebook down below, so read the comments. If you're needing a cake, I cannot recommend Sinead enough. Her cakes are beautiful. I have got a few cakes from her now, and they are always tasty and beautiful with lots of chocolate. Yes. Also, I think I have to mention Allison, the owner of, I think I'm pronouncing it well, Kinramer Cottage. Allison was a wonderful host. The cottage, we rented it out for 6 of us, but I think it can sleep up. It's either 9 or 10. It can sleep with all the usual. There's a couple of showers, a couple of toilets, all cooking facilities, and we were well catered for. Also, Allison is an awesome person. She lifted us from the boat. She was sitting waiting on the boat docking, took us up to the cottage, had to do 2 runs, not a problem for Allison, and then she dropped us down again whenever we were leaving on the Sunday. So that just brings me round to my channel and where we're at right now. So I have to say I am humbled. I am up to 87 subscribers, and also I think quite a landmark. I got my certificate for 10,000 views. I can't do any of that without you guys watching and giving me all the support that you do. So I want to say a thank you very much from me. Again, if you're watching this and you haven't yet subscribed, click that wee button. If you like the video of Rathlin, give me a thumbs up, and if you want to stay on top of when I post, then ding the wee bell. But I think we're missing one thing from this week's video, and he's here. I'll see if I can get him up. There we go. There's Frankie boy. There's Frankie boy.